Here's how to hide photos in iPhone iOS 18. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can hide photos on your iPhone on the latest iOS 18 update. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. In order to hide a photo, what you have to do is just go to your Photos app. So once you're in Photos app, here as you can see, I already have chosen a pic to hide. So I'm just gonna hide this pic. So how can you hide this pic is very simple. You'll see three dots on the top of the picture. Just press on three dots. And once you press on it, you will be able to see the option of hide. Just press on hide. And it will ask you again if you want the photo to be hidden. Just confirm and press hide photo. Once you do this, the picture will be hidden, and you could just go ahead and go to your hidden photo section to find that hidden photo. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press on hidden, and it will ask me for password. But yeah, once I do this, here as you can see that I have the hidden photo right over here. So yeah, that's how you can hide photos or hide your pictures on your iPhone in the latest version of iOS 18. So I hope this video helped you all. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.